Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, this afternoon we want to study English about when, ya atau kapan. English question. Number one, when do you wake up in the morning?
When do you wake up in the morning?
Number two, when do you brush your teeth?
When do you brush your teeth?
Number three, when do you clean your bed?
When do you clean your bed?
Number four, when do you eat breakfast?
When do you eat breakfast?
Number five, when do you go to school?
When do you go to school?
Number six, when do you arrive at school?
When do you arrive at school?
Number seven, when do you study English?
When do you study English?
Number eight, when do you go home?
When do you go home?
Number nine, when do you take a break?
When do you take a break?
Number 10, when do you take a rest?
When do you take a rest?
Number 11, when do you play football?
When do you play football?
Number 12, when do you have dinner?
When do you have dinner?
Number 13, when do you see your friend?
When do you see your friends?
Number 14, when do you visit your friend?
When do you visit your friends?
Number 15, when do you meet your friend?
When do you meet your friends?
Number 16, when do you go for swimming?
When do you go for swimming?
Number 17, when do you go for a walk?
When do you go for a walk?
Number 18, when do you go to watch cinema?
When do you go to cinema?
Number 19, when do you help your parents?
When do you help your parents?
Number 20, when do you do your homework?
When do you do your homework?
Number 21, when do you go to sleep?
When do you go to sleep?
Okay, thank you very much.